Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Smartphone with internet and camera access. Once done, open your camera or QR scanner app and point at the McDonald's QR code. Hold steady about 6 to 12 inches away and let the phone autofocus. You'll see a notification pop up. Tap that notification to load the restaurant's ordering page or the McDonald's app link. Make sure location or pop-up permissions are allowed so the link opens smoothly and you don't have to repeat scanning. You'll land on a menu. Start by selecting the category you want, like deals or burgers, and tap items to add them to your cart. Once an item's selected, customize size, add or remove toppings, and leave notes for preparation. This ensures the order matches your preferences. After assembling your meal, review the cart to check quantities, tax, and total. If you have My McDonald's offers or a promo code, apply them now so you see the discounted total before you proceed to payment. You finish by picking your fulfillment method, counter pickup, curbside, or table service, and confirm any table number if needed. Next, select a payment method, card, Apple Pay/Google Pay, or McDonald's stored payment, and complete the transaction securely. You'll get an order number and ETA. Then watch the order status on screen and listen for your number. If the ETA is overdue or an item is incorrect, call the staff immediately and show your order number. That one call usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.